All right, so in order to do breath of fire, we want to do a quick review of the long deep breath because essentially that's what it is, except the difference is the pacing. So as with long deep breaths, we're going to inhale and exhale through the nostrils, and then on the inhale the breath goes down past the diaphragm and then expands on the inhale. On the exhale, the body contracts while the spine remains tall, and that would be the long deep breath. So breath of fire, the difference is that we are going to be really powering it up through the navel center, and then the pacing is fast. So it sounds like this. So in slow motion, it's more like inhale, exhale. So if you need to do that, just to practice that and make sure that your body's expanding on the inhale and contracting on the exhale while the spine remains tall the entire time, just do it slowly. And you can see this part moving below my diaphragm. If you're doing this above the diaphragm, you're going to go into hyperventilation. Okay, so that's completely different. And some people will find this just naturally going into that, and then many others will find this to be really tough. So be kind to yourself if this is really hard for you, or if you can't keep this going for long. And then just come back to a slower breath. Just making sure that you're following the rules of long, deep breathing. Again, expanding on the inhale, contracting the body in towards the spine on the exhale while the spine remains tall, and making sure that the breath comes down past the diaphragm.